So now we are inside your home. I just walked in from the northeast direction inside your beautiful and luxurious, expansive living room, fully furnished. Friends, this is a show apartment, so the furniture you may not get, but all the finishes you will get. When I talk about the finishes, we're talking about exclusive premium marble flooring, switches, electrical points, and your ceiling lights, soundproof windows. You can hire an amazing architect and interior designer to do up this home like this, but it's an expansive and beautiful layout, a Vastu-friendly apartment. West of the property, we have a beautiful open kitchen. You can see the size of the kitchen. Very smartly, we have created an open kitchen concept. Also, attached to this, we get this utility balcony. That is where you can keep your clothes drying rack or your miscellaneous items. And also, for your washing machine and dryer, we have the service area. One thing to notice about this living room is the windows. So from one column till that column, we have windows. These are floor to beam windows highlighted by floor to ceiling curtains with running balconies where you can keep your flowers, your pots, etc. Now it is time to look at the bedrooms. Also here we have a dining table, smartly placed in between your formal lounge area and your open kitchen. And as we walk towards the north of the property, this is the kids' bedroom with a corner bed. We have window in the west. We've got a study table, wooden flooring, beautiful, fantastic and elegant interiors. We've got a walk-in wardrobe and your bathroom. This is going to be attached. And now we're walking into the master bedroom. So here it is. So on my left, we have profile shutter wardrobes, very smart, modern design with attached bathroom. The shower cubicle has a beautiful black profiling done with premium quality sanitary fittings and faucets. This is what we give you. We give you premium sanitary fittings and faucets and these spacious layout. Very elegant, classy interiors. You can take inspiration from this and do up your house. And if you want a layout like this, then don't forget to reach out to Code Estate. We help you find. Now it's time to walk towards the east of the property. I can't get over the luxurious living room. Such a fantastic design gives me a true home vibe. Wow, this is such a luxurious home. Now it is time to explore the other bedrooms. So on my right, we've got bedroom number 3. This we've converted into a den and entertainment room. आप चाहें तो ये कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप इस रूम में भी बेड डाल सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं इस रूम में आपको मिलता है बालकनी. बालकनीज का विथ काफी अच्छा है. ये है पाउडर बाथरूम. Now let's see what we get when we walk further east. So this is the master suite of this 4-bed residence. The size is wonderful. It's a spacious master bedroom with a king bed, side tables. We've got a lounge area there. So you can also revamp the lounge space somewhat like that with 2 beautiful chairs to enjoy your evening cups of tea and coffee. We've got a makeup unit by the window. Also, all the windows of this particular apartment faces the south and west. So throughout the day, we're gonna have a lot of natural light. This is the walk-in wardrobe that gives us floor to ceiling curtains. And as we walk towards the end, we have a beautiful bathtub. You can relax, unwind. We get a window there to keep the cross ventilation going. With every apartment, you get 2 car parking spaces. And when we talk about the amenities, we've got the amenities on the ground level, which is a nice kids play area, garden, walking track. And on the rooftop, we have a cafeteria, infinity pool, some nice sit-out spaces, landscaped areas, yoga deck, meditation deck, and many more. Friends, to know more, you can check the description box. And if you're interested in purchasing your new home in a premium building, then get in touch with Code Estate. The contact number of a sales executive is in the description box. I'm your architect, real estate consultant, and host Simran Gupta. Give me permission to take a leave, friends. I'll see you next time on our channel with another superb real estate